So let's talk about those awesome and amazing grow bags. They come in a pack of 7. They are 5 gallons each and they come in different colors. But as you see, I don't have 7 anymore because I used some. So let me show you what I used them for and some features of it. So as you can see, they are nicely folded up so you can store them easily in the winter if you don't need them anymore. And yes, they are reusable. They're even washable. So once you're done with them in the summer, you can just store them away and use them for the next season. Here you can see they have reinforced handles and it's very easy to pick up if it's not wet. So I don't know if I have the 5 or the 10 gallon, but those are pretty big. You cannot use them indoors because when the rain comes or when you water them, the water will come out of here. It will drain on the sides. So you have them inside, it will make your floor wet. So no, they're only used for outdoors. So again, you can also place them anywhere you want. If you look around just here, I have several ones you can see, and I have tomatoes in there right now. And you can just take them and place them anywhere you want. So anywhere in your garden, if you need to move them around, it's super easy with the handle to just take it wherever you want to. For me, they work great because I can just pull them out if I need to, if I have not enough pots. They're easy to fold in the winter again. So for me, this is a win-win. And again, you can reuse them. Just to show you how tough they are, you can lift them easily. Just don't do it when the soil is wet. It's super heavy, you don't have to do that. But when the soil is light and dry, it's easily again to just lift it up and move it wherever you need to move it. And they come in colors. So if you're looking for some grow bags or for something to have in case you run out of pots, this is the perfect solution.